the master wiring mechanic and rotary expert, Jason Fletcher, is going to explain to us why you should not cut this particular part of the harness.
All right, so I tried to expose as much as I could here. Let me see if I can get a little bit more. All right. Gotta be careful. Let's see. Okay, so right away you can see, for example, this wire, this black and white, goes to multiple things, and you can see the junction where it's connected and it would normally split off and branch off, but they've cut that. So
would that be a ground? Like a sensor ground?
Actually, to be honest, they're powers.
Oh.
Okay, so output powers from the computer.
Oh.
So you have to find out, and a lot of these are the solenoids, but you've got power too. And they bind together in certain areas, certain spots, and some of them are grounds too, but they'll go to sensors and different things. So you got a power, some of them are power to the injectors, for example, like the black and yellow, which does seem to be connected, but it does go through here. You've got the black and whites, which could be the grounds to other sensors, those solenoids. So, you know, it's not a good idea unless you really know what you're doing.
It's not a good idea unless you know what you're doing. Do you hear this, people?
All right, so.
But we're here to fix it, and that's what we're going to do, because at DLW Motorsports, we fix things.
Yeah, it looks like it just went.
Horrible. All right, I'm gonna put you guys back on a time lapse, and we are going to continue trying to figure out how to save this poor, nice red RX7. Oh, people, don't cut your harness unless you have a backup. Please, please. Parts, manifold, ooh, and that already has, yeah, the solenoids on it.
Yeah, this has all the stock, the idle solenoid, which she needs, but we're going to take it off of here and utilize it because this came off of a running car.
Right.
We don't necessarily need the fast idle, but the guy wants it back to stock, so
we're going to
utilize
this is
the warm-up idle, and then the boost control solenoids, the temperature he has already in there.
Right.
So
was that connected, or did they cut that?
No, it was connected.
Okay.
Yeah, they definitely need that for the power C. With that, I will get the box.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Box, oh goodies! Look at this. We have everything. Except for the important thing that they cut. Why, people? Why?
All right.
This is what we call a rat's nest. What is the proper terminology for this?
This vacuum solenoid
harness.
Something or other piece of thing.
We just call it a rat's nest because that's literally what it looks like when it's under the car.
Okay.
A rat's nest.
Which we cannot utilize because he doesn't have any of the plugs.
Because he cut the harness